It's Reviewer Man again, and this time we have Bubblegum and Rainforest Mist. Both were released in 2014 or 2015, not sure. They're still on the site today. This is how the packages look like. Bubblegum. Same with this. And Rainforest Mist. Up to 7 weeks. Yeah, look. So, how do they smell like? Bubblegum, how does it smell like? It smells like bubblegum. It's a bit strong, sweet. Not very good, but it's okay, I guess. And Rainforest Mist. It's floral. It's a bit feminine. Not too bad at all. So yeah. This is pretty much it. Until next time, peace.